So if you are checking out this 2-in-1 dog stairs or dog ramp, let me show you how this works. Maybe that will help you decide if you want to grab one. Now let me say first, the brand did send this to me to test out. I've got 2 little multi-poos. I'm going to try this on them. They definitely need help getting up here on my higher bed, but this would also be perfect by your couch or even if you're traveling. This way they can get up into your vehicle. You can take it to hotels with you, especially for those smaller dogs, or maybe your dog has some health concern, arthritis, hip, joint problems. This would make it so much easier for them to get up and down. So as you can see right now, I'm using it as step. You have 2 different adjustments right here on back. The adjustable range is approximately 15 to 18 inches. You're going to set it where you need to. Now when this arrives, this top step is not in place, so you're going to set it up how you need to, and then it's really simple to add this extra step, just like this. They did provide these little metal keys here that you're going to put in the side of each step. This way everything locks into place. Then they provide all these little strips here. You can put these on the bottom of the legs here. This way things don't slip around if you need that. Come on. As you can see, she has no problem using those. And then to make it a ramp, you want to remove those pins that you had here on the side, and you're just simply turning the boards. Good girl. Good girl. Go back up. Come on. Just like that. Good girls. Good girl. And then of course it's super simple to travel with. You're just going to fold it up. And now you'll be able to take it anywhere that you go. Now this will hold up to 100 pounds, and as you can see, each step does have carpet on it, so there's no slipping. So I would definitely recommend this. Very strong. Love the fact that you can make this into a ramp or into steps, whatever it is your fur baby needs. So if you're checking this out, I hope this video has helped.